Alright, let's talk about the real secret to smarter manufacturing growth in 2025. It's not about building more factories or hiring armies of workers. Nope. The future, it's about working smarter, not harder, scaling up without all that extra overhead. That's exactly why more manufacturers are turning to outsourcing, but not just any outsourcing. I'm talking about strategic partnerships that do way more than just save money. Imagine having a team that handles your data entry, supply chain, production support, and workflow optimization, using advanced tech like AI and robotic process automation. That's where ARDEM comes in. ARDEM isn't just about cutting costs, they're all about true operational transformation. Think faster turnaround times, fewer errors, and operations that actually grow with your business. Here's what sets ARDEM apart. They blend human expertise with powerful automation, so you get accuracy, compliance, and industry know-how. All managed by dedicated project leaders who keep you in the loop every step of the way. Plus, their solutions are end-to-end. Whether you need help with sales order processing, document management, or optimizing your supply chain, ARDEM's got you covered. And let's be honest, today's manufacturing world moves fast. Markets change, demand shifts, and supply chains can get messy. You need flexibility, speed, and control, without risking quality or adding unnecessary complexity. That's the magic of ARDEM. You focus on what you do best: design, innovation, expanding into new markets, while they take care of the heavy lifting in the background. So, if you're looking to expand your manufacturing reach, boost efficiency, and keep costs down, it's time to rethink how you grow. Let ARDEM help you build a smarter, more agile path forward. Ready to transform your operations? Let's get started.